Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have another video for you about a complete tutorial for beginners in CapCut. I'm going to show a little of everything, a little of each function within the CapCut, remembering that this is a class for beginners, and I will show in a simplified way all the functions within CapCut. Before we start the video, I wanted to ask you to subscribe to my channel and like the video. That would help me immensely and motivate me to bring you more videos. Let's start the video. I downloaded a random video of a landscape from the internet to give you an example of how to edit this video. When you install the CapCut and the download is complete, click open and wait for the application to run. These options will appear on the home screen. Click New Project. Here all the videos and all the images that you have saved on your cell phone will appear. From here, you will choose the video you have to edit. I downloaded the video of a random landscape to show you as an example how easily edit a video. Click on the desired video, and you will enter the video editor directly. Here is the video editing screen. I will explain it in detail and slowly so that you can understand better. Let's start about adjusting the video. You can see that I'm moving the video or zooming in on it in a pinch format with my fingers. You can leave it in whatever format you want. So you can zoom in or leave it in a different format or a different position. After you position the video as you want, let's go to the first option of the application, which is the scissors at the bottom of the screen. Its function is basically to cut or divide the video into two parts. See in practice how I'm going to do this. Now, let's move on to the second video editing feature. Now, let's talk about the audio part. By clicking on the audio icon below, you can put any background music. Look here, you have hundreds of music options from different genres for you to put in the background. Or as said before, you can also put a song saved on your cell phone. When you add background music to your video, it is important to be aware that the music must not be copyrighted. To do this, it's very easy. Within the CapCut itself there is a tool for you to check whether the music is copyrighted or not. To do this, just click on the third icon where copyright is written. After clicking you will wait a few seconds and the application will tell you if the song is copyrighted. In the fourth icon, we can notice that there is a star. That is a tool for adding sound effects to your video. Very short sounds, like 1 to 4 seconds. Let's now go to the third part of the editor, where the text settings are located. Here you can do many things such as placing texts on the screen or subtitles. To add text to the screen of your video, it's very simple. Click on the letter where the text is written, and write whatever you want. Then our keyboard will appear so we can type the text we want. I will type good morning just as an example. After typing the text we want, we can customize it in many different ways. We can change the font, we can change the color, size, position, and much more. I'm going to teach you how to do these things I just talked about in a completely simple and quick way. Let's first learn how to change fonts. Here there are a multitude of different fonts for you to enable. To choose a font, click on your text, and then click on the option below that says fonts. Here you will find a multitude of different fonts. Let's choose a font that matches the video. As this video seems to be a little more dynamic, we can put a more dynamic font too. What matters is that it matches the video. I will choose the font that looks perfect for the type of my video. Note that now I can position the text wherever I want and however I want. I'm going to leave this text right here in the middle of the screen. Clicking on the Styles tab again, we have a multitude of options to customize our text. How to change color and effects. Remember that you can take the text and put it as long as you want. In my case, you can see that I'm dragging the text to the end because I want it to appear until the end. Right next to the text icon, We also have options to place stickers, and these stickers can be either stationary or stickers that move as well. Generally, people use stickers to hide any personal information that appears on the screen for security, but you can use them for animated videos too. I'm going to drag the sticker to the end of my video and see how it turned out. And now, let's move on to one of the most useful parts of this application, which is automatic subtitles. The application can detect speech and place automatic subtitles on the screen. You can also customize these automatic subtitles according to what I showed here in the video. You can change font, color, size, and much more. We also have the option of text templates, which makes the text caption as lively as possible. I can choose any of these here, and I can simply modify the text and write whatever I want and position it wherever I want. Now, let's move on to the layers part. This tool allows you to overlay images or videos on top of your own video. So it's a layer that goes on top of your video. Clicking on Add Layer, a screen will appear with our photos and videos that we have saved in the gallery. You can select as many as you want to go over your video. In this case, I'm going to select any image to give you an example. So I'm going to go to the Images tab and select this one. We can see that the photo has been superimposed on our video. We can adjust the size, position, and duration of time that this layer appears in the video. Now, let's explore video effects. Video effects are very useful tools to make video more dynamic. Let's choose some types of effects to put in the video and see the difference it makes. The important thing is to moderate it. There's no need to exaggerate. We can see that there are a multitude of different effects for you to put in your video. There are also categories on the side where you can select specific effects. You can also adjust the speed and intensity of these effects. Every effect you click on will display some adjustments for you to make if you want. We have several effects such as vignette, screen moving in the background, image distortion, and much more. This can be very useful to avoid copyright problems, because this way, the video is much more original and edited. Before starting to make any video within the CapCut, it is important to configure the right screen proportion according to the social network where you will post the video. For example, if you're going to post the video on TikTok, then this video will have to be in portrait mode, size 16:9. If it is a video for YouTube, the resolution must be in horizontal mode. In this case, we are creating a video for TikTok in which the aspect ratio is in portrait mode, so always adjust the aspect ratio before starting any editing. Here in CapCut, this is very important. Let's now explore the common filters for videos. The filters are used to change the color tone or make the video more beautiful according to the environment. We can notice that there are many effects within the application. From all possible categories, it is important to note that some of them are paid, but there are many that are free and very good. After choosing a filter, click on it, and a bar will appear for you to adjust the intensity of the filter you applied. We can also click on the video and then click on Adjustments. It will open a series of adjustment tools for you to adjust. For example, the brightness of your video, the saturation, or the sharpness. After adjusting to your liking, apply this purple strip to the video until the end so that the changed effects remain until the end of the video. Now, let's talk about a function that is also very important here within the video editor. By clicking on the video, you have the option to change the speed of the video. You can either make the video slower or make the video faster. You can speed it up to a maximum of 100 times the original speed of the video, which ends up being a very interesting tool for a cell phone application. Only professional editors have all these options that CapCut has. By clicking on the Animations tab, we can come across several types of animations for video input and output. It is a little different from the other animations we talked about at the beginning of the video. Generally, These types of animations are used when transitions or at the beginning of the video or at the end of the video, so it is an entry animation or it can be an exit animation of the video. There is a new tool inside this video editor that can improve the sound quality of voices, so if you narrated your video, you could be improving your voice with artificial intelligence. As this video doesn't have a narration, so we're going to skip that part. But basically, this improves the voice of the video a lot. We also have the volume button, which is where you can change the volume of your video to a volume from 0 to 1000. Your video already comes with a volume of 100, so you can already adjust this. Clicking on this option where it says transform, it also has important tools, like we can crop the video, we can flip the video as if it were a mirror, and we can also rotate the video. Now, let's talk about one of the best options that exist within this editor, which is the chroma key feature. It can automatically remove backgrounds using artificial intelligence. If we drag some options to the side, we can find the brightness settings. These settings are very important for people who record a vlog showing their face. In our video, no face appears, so let's skip this step. Here, you can add masks to crop the video into a specific shape, making the background black and the video within the geometric shape you selected, but this feature is rarely used. We also have the option of replacing some part of the video or even the entire video. You can replace parts with other videos or photos. To do this, click on your video. As soon as we click on the word replace, our cell phone's gallery automatically appears so we can replace the selected part of the video. If you post a video with sound, you can easily separate the sound from your original video. Just click on your video and click on Extract Audio. Since we're talking about audio, let's talk about something we didn't talk about in this video, which is the original voice narration. So you can narrate the video by clicking on that microphone icon. From the moment you click on the microphone, it will automatically start recording your voice, and to stop talking, just release the microphone button. Once this is done, you can cut or edit your voice if you want. There are several character voice effects or other specifications. You can cut the speech as much as you want. Another very important option too. If we click on our video and click reverse, the video will go backwards in reverse mode. That's all, folks. I showed some simple things about this video editing application. I explained it easily and in an easy to understand way. If you want a more complex tutorial, comment below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like on my video. This will really help me. Until next time, bye.